dear students. Exercise 6A we have completed. Today we will start new exercise 6B. Estimation in number operations. Estimation help us to get a general idea about addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. It can be extremely useful to calculate cost, expenditure, profits, losses, etc. Okay. An estimate is the answer close to the actual answer. Understood? Now, come to the exercise. Question number 1. Estimate the following sums to the nearest lakh and check with the actual answer. Okay. A. 29 lakh 35,908 plus 36 lakh 44,009 plus 49 lakh 99,078. In such type of question, first of all, we will find out round off each number to the nearest lakh. Then we will add. Let us do. Round off this number to the nearest lakh. For this, we see the digit at 10,000 place. That is 3. 3 is less than 5. So, 29 lakh 35,908 will be rounded down to 29 lakh. Understood? Now this one. The digit at 10,000 place is 4. This is also less than 5. So 36 lakh 44,009 will be rounded down to 36 lakh. Okay. 9 is more than 5. So 49 lakh 99,078 will be rounded up to 50 lakh. Understood? Now we will add these numbers. After addition, we will get 1 crore 15 lakh and it is our answer. Now, we will check this answer with actual answer. Now, actual addition will be 1 crore 15 lakh 78,995. So, 1 crore 15 lakh is close to the actual addition. Understood? Now, the digit at 10,000 place is 2, which is less than 5. So, 56 lakh 21,424 will be rounded down to 56 lakh plus here it is equal to 5. So 94 lakh 52,137 will be rounded up to 95 lakh. The digit at 10,000 place is 7, and 7 is more than 5. So 13 lakh 79,555 will be rounded up to 14 lakh. Okay. Now we will add all these numbers. After addition, we will get 1,65 lakh, and it is our answer. Now we will check this answer with the actual answer. Now actual addition is, we will add all these numbers. After addition, we will get 1,64 lakh 53,116, and we can see this number is close to actual number. Okay. Question number 2. Estimate the following difference to the nearest 10,000. I repeat. Estimate the following difference to the nearest 10,000. A. 53,708 minus 48,677. First of all, we will find out round off each number to the nearest 10,000. Then we will subtract. We can see here the digit at 1000 place is 3, which is less than 5. So 53,708 will be rounded down to 50,000 minus, here the digit at 1000 place is 8, which is more than 5. So 48,677 will be rounded up to 50,000. Now we will subtract. After subtraction, we will get 0. 50,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 0. And it is our answer. The next is B. 66,578 minus 19,304. Here, the digit at 1000 place is 6, and 6 is more than 5. So 66,578 will be rounded up to 70,000 minus, the digit at 1000 place is 9, which is more than 5. So 19,304 will be rounded up to 20,000. 70,000 minus 20,000. After subtraction, we will get 50,000, and it is our answer. Question number 3. Estimate the following by rounding off the multiplicand and the dividend to the nearest 1000. A. 7,603 into 2. First of all, we will find out round off 7,603 to the nearest 1000, that is 8,000. Why? Because the digit at 100 place is 6, and 6 is more than 5. That's it. Okay. Now 8,000 into 2 is equal to 16,000 and it is our answer. Similarly, B 6,945 into 8. Rounding off 6,945 to the nearest 1,000 will be 7,000. Why? Because the digit at 100 place is 9 and 9 is more than 5. Okay. Now 7,000 into 8 is equal to 56,000 and it is our answer. The next is C 41,750 divided by 3. Rounding off 41,750 to the nearest 1,000 will be 42,000. Why? Because the digit at 100 place is 7 and 7 is more than 5. That's 42,000 is divided by 3. We will do division to the right side of solution. Okay. After division, we will get 14,000 and it is our answer. Similarly, rounding off 27,259 to the nearest 1,000 will be 27,000. Okay. 27,000 is divided by 9 is equal to 3,000. Understood? Question number 4. Round out the following as instructed. A. To the nearest rupee. First one, rupees 320 and 50 paise. 320 rupees 50 paise is lies between 320 rupees and 321 rupees. The difference between 321 rupees and 320 rupees 50 paise is 50 paise. So 320 rupees 50 paise will be rounded up to 321 rupees. Similarly, next one, 68 rupees 25 paise. 68 rupees 25 paise is lies between 68 rupees and 69 rupees. The difference between 68 rupees 25 paise and 68 rupees, that is 25 paise, and the difference between 69 rupees and 68 rupees 25 paise, that is 75 paise. So rupee 68 and 25 paise will be rounded down to 68 rupees. Now rupee 30 to 80 paise. Rupee 30 to 80 paise is lies between 32 rupees and 33 rupees. The difference between 33 and 32 rupees 80 paise is 20 paise, and the difference between 32 rupee 80 paise and 32 rupees, that is 80 paise. So rupee 30 to 80 paise will be rounded up to rupee 33. Understood? B. To the nearest hour. 8 hours 50 minutes. We can see here 8 hours 50 minutes lies between 8 hours and 9 hours. But 8 hours 50 minutes is nearest to 9 hours. So it is rounded up to 9 p.m. Understood? Why? Because 9 hours minus 8 hours 50 minutes is equal to 10 minutes. And the difference between 8 hours 50 minutes to 8 hours is equal to 50 minutes. So 8 hours 50 minutes will be rounded up to 9 hours. Understood? The next is 10 hours 48 minutes. It is rounded up to 11 hours. Why? Because 10 hours 48 minutes lies between 10 hours and 11 hours. But difference between 11 hours and 10 hours 48 minutes is equal to 12 minutes. Okay? And the difference between 10 hours 48 minutes and 10 hours 48 minutes. Okay? That's why 10 hours 48 minutes will be rounded up to 11 hours. Next is 5 hours 35 minutes. It is rounded up to 6 hours. Because the difference between 6 hours and 5 hours 35 minutes is 25, and the difference between 5 hours 35 minutes and 5 hours, that is 35 minutes. So 5 hours 35 minutes will be rounded up 6 hours, that is 6 p.m. The next is C. To the nearest year. First one. 10 years, 10 months. I repeat. 10 years, 10 months. And we know that 10 years, 10 months is lies between 10 years and 11 years. And we know that 12 months is equal to 1 year. So, only 2 months is left for 1 year. That's why 10 years, 10 months will be rounded up to 11 years. Understood? Next, 5 years, 3 months. And it is lies between 5 years and 6 years. And here 9 months are left for 1 year. So 5 years, 3 months will be rounded down to 5 years. Understood? Hope you have understood. It is your homework for today. Keep practice at home. Thank you.